So, like we said, we were going to show you how to make whatever they're called.
French pancakes.
French pancakes, crepes, whatever. So what you need is we're going to make, I already have my 2 cups of flour, my 2 cups of milk. And I just mix all that in a bowl.
First the eggs and the milk by themselves, and all the liquid stuff.
Okay, so all the liquid stuff, as Mommy was saying first. Eggs here with the milk. And
you use a whisk.
You use one of these mixes, otherwise just use a fork. You can use a fork. So mix the eggs.
Yeah.
And then you pour the flour. And you also add half a teaspoon of salt. Half a teaspoon. There it is. Half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. So here's the vanilla extract. Half a teaspoon. And 1 tablespoon for each egg that you put on.
Of sugar. Or sweetener.
Or sweetener. We are going to use Splenda because I don't do sugar. So Splenda is evil. So 2 tablespoons because we use 2 eggs. 1, 2. Mix it all up. I guess maybe you can stop it so.
It should have no lumps.
Okay, so Mommy's telling me to remind you that make sure it doesn't have lumps. If you have a whisk, it's the best because the whisk will get rid of the lumps. Oh, it's soft.
Okay, now go ahead. What else?
If you use a fork, it's a little bit more difficult, but don't worry, just work at it. And if there is a little lump, it's okay. Once you cook it.
Or you could ask Mommy to bring it for you.
Once you cook it, you don't notice the difference. The lumps sort of mix in because the heat mixes them in. It all is hot. Is it going on?
Yeah.
Once it all is hot, and you notice that because smoke starts to come up from the oil that it starts to burn. So you have to act fast. You bring one big spoon of one ladle full of batter. Turn it on. I like to spread it because I like mine very, very flat.
Thin.
And Celeste is explaining too. And then you put your fire to the middle because otherwise the things will burn. And then when you're ready to turn around, you look at the batter. It starts to dry out. Little by little. The edges are already dry, and now the center part is getting drier and drier and drier. As soon as I see the center dry, I start working at turning them around. So I bring my spatula, little by little push it up, turn it around, there you go, ready?
Just for like half a minute.
Yeah, I don't even let it turn brown, I just let it be white. I mean, you can let it be a little bit brown, but that's no big deal. And voila, you just start making them one by one. And they're delicious and people love them, and if you make them and invite people over for crepes, you're gonna be king.